Alrighty, today I'm going to go over how to give your designer admin access to the brand book. So, to start, you want to identify who the right owner is. So, whoever manages your logos, hex codes, and brand guidelines, that's the person who needs the right access. So, once you identify who that is, you invite that user here. You will type their email, and then you will send them admin access to this account. So here you could select admin and they will be able to see your brand book. Once they have the correct access, you go over here on your photo and you will see brand books and saved orders. Once you get in there, you'll be able to create as many or as little brand books as needed. And then your designer can upload the logos, the colors, with the hex codes. They could add as much as information as possible, guidelines, what not to do, imagery, etc. If you have an intro and outro, you could add that here. If not, we could create it. If there's any music or any guidelines, this is the location where you would be able to do that. So once this is complete, you just press save, and then I would just set up a mental reminder to update this brand book anytime you have any anytime your visual identity changes. Once this is built out, you could use it to reference. You could use it as a reference to any videos that you create.